You know, I really think I needed that break, to be honest with you. About a year and maybe a half ago, I took a break from YouTube. And it's because I was busy with my life. My family grew, and I had more important things to do and to concentrate on. And I wanted to make videos. I wanted to upload a video every week, every month. But I couldn't. I just had absolutely had no time. And you know what? I learned that during that period, that break was important. And that prompted me to think about the time from a year and a half ago. And you know what? That break was healthy. Because first of all, if I probably wouldn't have made any great YouTube videos, or my uploads would have been terrible. My things would have just been so chaotic. I probably wouldn't have had the motivation to keep going. Who knows? I might have even stopped the channel. But this year, I believe I uploaded 3 videos this year. And this year, my goal is to upload. My goal is to create. My goal is to help. My goal is to make this channel grow. But the most important thing is my family life, and it has to start there. I am going to seriously try to make this year work, and I'm actually amazed that I got 3 videos up. And I know that I have been promising to do a video a week. And that's my ultimate goal, to be honest with you, to get a video a week. And then we see, what happens from there. But I'm going to change this channel up. I kind of think I'm going to be doing more of these vlogging type of videos, which in the beginning of the channel back in 2020, I didn't really vlog. I didn't take my phone out or my camera out to my car or out in the field or outside and start vlogging. And I think I kind of like this vlogging thing. I think it's easier than like a talking head type of YouTube video that I was doing for the beginning of my channel. And I'm sure I'm going to do more of, I'm sure I'm going to do some videos, talking head type style in my small little studio corner there. But the vlogging is interesting, and I think it will give me the ability to actually create more videos. That's what I think is going to happen. So I'm really thinking about this. I'm considering this going forward, that probably something like 60, 70, or 80% of my videos are going to be vlog style. Plus, I'm pretty comfortable kind of talking without a script. I mean, almost every single video I've done on my channel, including some of the live streams, I really didn't have any scripts. I mean, I did it without scripts. I may have had some pinpoints or a little summary to work off of, but most of the time it's really what comes into my head, and then I kind of build upon it, think for a moment, and then record. And with vlogging style, the pressure of being perfect doesn't have to be there. The editing, worrying about the editing, worrying about the studio, worrying about the lights, it's kind of free flowing, and I kind of like it. So I think that's my goal, is to more vlog going forward. Just more vlogs. I think we're gonna see, but the point for this video today is to try to tell you why you need to take a break and kind of reset yourself. I reset myself now, and I think I kind of am better for it. I think that my videos are going to be more raw and real, and I think that I actually know that I'm not going to worry as much about all these special effects and special thumbnails and stuff. I mean, once in a while I might create a nice weird thumbnail, but I think it's more going to be just a snapshot of me doing a video, put some text on there, and boom, upload. I mean, I just want to upload. I want to get it going again. I want to get the feel again of creating again. And that's my goal. And I think that's something that hopefully that's something that could enable you to start your YouTube channel also, because I got to tell you, I've been saying it since the first time in May. I think it was May 2020 when I first started my YouTube channel, that boy, did I enjoy it. And even now, even as I am off the cuff doing this vlog style on my phone, it's not even a special camera, it's my phone, and I'm doing it vlog style out in my car, just because I had a thought in my head about uploading, and I need to upload. And that's kind of what any of us really have to do, just upload. I mean, I kind of have an old channel now. I mean, I have over 100 videos. I have some live stream stuff. My channel's been a YouTube channel basically since May of 2020. And, I'd love to monetize. I'd love to keep doing this. I'd love to see where this is going. I want to teach somehow. I want to motivate somehow. This is really, maybe something comes out of it. And for you, the viewer, if you want to be a YouTube creator, it's actually, very easy. And, I think if you want to teach, help, express, and even have fun, because these are kind of fun to do, I think you should go out and create your channel. And but it's very important to remember that sometimes you have to take a break. And I think this break that I took is probably, and we shall see, is probably going to make me a better content creator here on YouTube. All right, guys. So if you like this video, of course, like, subscribe, share, let that algorithm work for me. And hopefully I'll see you next week, but I can't guarantee it. Thanks a million. I'll see you later. Bye.